Foldable home for $50,000? A boxable? A rumor that I actually have a boxable. Yeah, you do. It's some prototype boxable that's down in South Texas. A local startup says a boxable will change the way homes are built. It's called boxable. So this home right here takes less than 1 hour to build. Let me explain how this works. Elon Musk, renowned for his innovations in industries ranging from electric vehicles to space exploration, is now turning his attention to the housing sector. With Tesla's $112,000 house set to launch in 2025, Musk aims to address two of the most significant challenges facing the world today: housing affordability and environmental sustainability. Leveraging Tesla's expertise in renewable energy and modular design, this ambitious project seeks to create a high-tech, energy-efficient home that is accessible to a wide range of people. Sustainable and efficient housing solutions. Tesla's housing initiative is driven by a commitment to sustainability, addressing both rising housing costs and the environmental impact of traditional construction. The Tesla house integrates advanced solar technology, such as solar shingles and Powerwall systems, allowing homeowners to generate their own electricity and reduce utility costs. This approach not only lowers individual carbon footprints but also contributes to a broader environmental impact, particularly in larger communities. Additionally, Tesla's modular construction process, involving prefabricated homes, offers cost and time efficiency. These homes are quicker to produce, less wasteful, and customizable to meet homeowners' evolving needs. Built with durable, sustainable materials, Tesla homes provide long-term value while minimizing environmental effects. Innovative design and global impact. Tesla's housing design emphasizes minimalist principles, focusing on functionality without compromising comfort or style. With clean lines and open spaces, the homes feature modern aesthetics and integrate smart technology, allowing homeowners to control lighting, temperature, and energy usage remotely via Tesla's app. Energy-efficient systems and premium materials ensure that even affordable homes provide modern amenities, establishing a high standard of sustainable living. This initiative has the potential to transform the housing market by making homeownership more accessible. Especially with its $112,000 price point, these homes could offer financial stability and improve living conditions, particularly in developing regions where affordable, energy-efficient housing is scarce. The scalability of modular construction enables rapid deployment in areas with urgent housing shortages, providing a sustainable and practical solution to global housing challenges. Overcoming challenges. While Tesla's housing project offers great promise, it is not without its challenges. Scaling production to meet the global demand for affordable housing will require significant investment and logistical coordination. Land costs in urban areas remain a barrier, and Tesla will need to collaborate with governments and developers to ensure that these homes remain affordable. Additionally, while modular construction minimizes waste, the large-scale production of these homes still has an environmental impact that must be carefully managed. Furthermore, the customization needs of larger families or those requiring specific accessibility features could drive up costs, potentially limiting the appeal of the base model. Despite these obstacles, the excitement surrounding Tesla's $112,000 house is palpable. By combining renewable energy, modular construction, and smart technology, Musk's latest venture has the potential to reshape the housing market and our vision of sustainable living. Beyond individual homes, this initiative could pave the way for self-sufficient communities and sustainable cities, advancing Musk's broader mission to reduce global dependence on fossil fuels. The Tesla Tiny House, a more accessible alternative. The Tesla Tiny House, affordable, sustainable, and mobile. In addition to the $112,000 home, Tesla has introduced the $112,000 Tesla Tiny House, offering a more affordable and flexible housing solution designed for off-grid living. The tiny house features solar technology and Powerwall systems, providing energy self-sufficiency. Its mobility allows owners to relocate the home, making it ideal for vacation homes, off-grid retreats, guest houses, or temporary shelters during emergencies. Governments and nonprofits are exploring its potential for affordable housing in areas with limited infrastructure. The tiny house integrates seamlessly with Tesla products, such as the Cybertruck, allowing easy relocation and creating a connected living experience. It adjusts the temperature, lighting, and entertainment based on the owner's preferences, further enhancing the homeowner's lifestyle. Transforming communities and the housing market. The initial market response to the Tesla Tiny House has been overwhelmingly positive, with thousands of pre-orders already placed. There is widespread excitement about the innovative design, sustainable features and affordability of the model. Industry experts believe that the tiny house could disrupt the real estate market by offering a viable alternative to traditional housing. Its low cost, advanced technology, and sustainable design present a compelling case for a new form of homeownership. Tesla's vision extends beyond individual homes to the creation of entire communities built around sustainable living. These neighborhoods could consist entirely of Tesla tiny houses, each generating its own power through solar technology and battery storage. The communities could be designed with shared green spaces, gardens, and microgrids, allowing residents to live in a self-sustaining environment. These communities would also be resilient in the face of natural disasters or power grid failures, as they would be independent of traditional utilities. Redefining homeownership. The Tesla tiny house challenges traditional notions of homeownership. Its low price point, just $112,000, makes it accessible to a much broader audience, reducing the need for larger loans or hefty down payments. The mobility of the tiny house also redefines the concept of a home as a fixed asset. Homeowners can relocate to follow job opportunities, explore new areas, or escape adverse weather conditions, providing a level of flexibility not possible with traditional homes. The tiny house is designed with sustainability at its core, using fewer materials and relying on renewable energy sources such as solar power. It also features water recycling and waste management systems, further reducing its environmental impact. By adopting a smaller living space, residents are likely to embrace minimalist lifestyles, which in turn helps conserve resources. The Tesla tiny house is expected to have a significant impact on urban planning as well. Its mobility could necessitate changes to zoning laws and infrastructure to accommodate mobile residents. Traditional home builders are already beginning to innovate in response to the popularity of Tesla's tiny house, which is helping to drive change across the housing sector. Off-grid living and future innovation. For those seeking off-grid living, the Tesla tiny house is an ideal solution. Its self-sustaining energy system and water recycling features make it possible to live comfortably in remote locations without relying on public utilities. This offers a unique opportunity for off-grid enthusiasts to enjoy modern conveniences while living sustainably in some of the most pristine and remote locations on Earth. The Tesla tiny house also integrates advanced technologies to enhance the living experience. AI algorithms optimize energy usage, temperature control, and other systems, making the home more efficient and cost-effective. Predictive maintenance systems monitor the condition of various components, reducing the need for repairs and extending the lifespan of the home. Looking toward the future, Tesla is exploring ways to make the tiny house even more customizable. Future versions may feature modular components that can be added or removed to suit the needs of the homeowner. There is even speculation that Tesla could develop a fully autonomous version of the tiny house, allowing it to relocate itself using Tesla's self-driving technology. A vision for the future. The Tesla tiny house is just the start of Elon Musk's vision for sustainable housing. Future iterations may include features like indoor vertical farming to enhance self-sufficiency, aiming to create a new model of homeownership centered on sustainability, mobility, and affordability. The Tesla tiny house and the $112,000 home are part of Musk's broader plan to revolutionize the housing market. By combining renewable energy, modular construction, and advanced technology, Tesla is leading the way toward a more sustainable and flexible future. These innovations offer an affordable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional housing, with the potential to significantly impact both the housing market and the environment, shaping a future where sustainability and accessibility coexist.